Get growth with the insanely great marketing software from the Squirrly company. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to use our SEO Plugin.xyz website and the next features that we have displayed on a public Trello board so that you can check out the roadmap and our latest announcements. Now, this is the easiest way to do it because we have like a lot of products, a lot of programs, training programs, and other stuff like that. And we even have games like Halloween games. And there's like a lot to take in, so this is like the best way to keep yourself updated and to follow our progress and to see how many updates we make and everything like that, because as I've said, the subscription for Squirrly software is always worth it because we make so many updates. Right, so insanely great marketing software. As I say here at the Squirrly company, we're committed to helping you learn every single best practice in digital marketing and content marketing. And you can see that right here. So you can see some of the products, and then you can close this one. And here on the Trello board, if you haven't used Trello before, the coolest thing is that you can scroll all the way to the right and to the left and to the right and to the left, right? So yeah, that's kind of it. And it says right here in this list, are you new here? Start here. And here you can see all of the crazy features that we have for Squirrly SEO. And this is just for the SEO 2018 briefcase version. Now we have a lot more than this, and we're soon going to update the list. And here they are. So you've got the stuff like keyword tools, SERP checkers, audit suites, and others. So there's like a lot of features, and you can check all of them here. Now here you see the roadmap. So this was the idea, to show you the roadmap for all of our products, and it says get started, scroll to the right, and you can start scrolling to the right to see each product or program that we have. So for example, you can see that here we have the 14 days journey. Here we have the products list with, I think all of the products are now here. All the products that we offer, because a lot of people are asking us, so where can I find the list and see all of the products that you have? Because now we have like a lot of affiliates, we have local partners, we have web dev kit, we have lots of developers and agencies collaborating with us and trying to get the best software there is for their customers, so they really want to see this kind of list. And then we have the list for Squirrly Social. Here is the Unsung Heroes. This is the latest developer update that I'm announcing, and it's actually called Unsung Heroes because it's a lot of updates that we didn't really manage to officially announce on all of our channels until now, because we've been so busy working on so many products like Squirrly Social, Squirrly Spy. We have the new Education Cloud 2020. We're soon going to release Squirrly SEO 2020, and we have like a lot of exciting things going on, and you can check them out here on SEO Plugin.xyz and in the Trello board. Now here is the WordPress version for Squirrly SEO. This is the Shopify version for Squirrly SEO. Remember, they are two completely different products. They're not the same thing. Now we have Squirrly Spy. We have stuff like company news, where we announce the donations that we've made and how we help children get better education in the United States. Starbucks. The Squirrly Cloud version on mysquirrly.co. The How to Squirrly, Education Cloud, Learning Solutions. This is actually a very new product that we haven't even announced yet officially. Website Analysis plugin, short pixel version made for the Squirrly users. Coaching session number 1, premium coaching sessions, some of the older updates that we've had, and you can just browse all of the list. Then you can go and see like the stuff that we've done for Briefcase, Facebook Pixel integration, the SERP checker, content look, and a lot of other stuff. Like for example, you can even click the cards, and it will take you to a lot of cool stuff that you can open. You can read the description, see the activity on the cards, and you can play around with everything so that you can get like a lot of ideas on what we're doing at the Squirrly company. This is how the studio looks right now. This has been so from June the 2nd 2018, and yep, here's where I am right now actually. And there's this blue thing that you see here. This creates the blue screen that I'm using to be transparent on the YouTube videos. Right, and then we have like a lot of the older updates. You can even look for older updates here because we've presented a lot of them. So you can see the stuff that was from SEO 2017 to Steve, and then what the Steve updates brought, then what we've created since the Steve update, the beginning of 2018 updates, then the beginning of 2019, and there's like a lot of updates and upcoming features that you can see all of them from here. Now, if you don't want to get overwhelmed and you're looking just for particulars, then you should do what it says right here. So it says use filter cards from the right menu, and you can see that I've attached a screenshot so that you can easily follow this. And as it says here, you will find plans and changelogs for all the software developed by the Squirrly company. Now I can just click on show menu, right? So just look here, show menu, and then I go here, it says go back, and here just wait a second because Trello changed the interface a bit. Oh, so you open the thing from show menu and then you click search cards. It was a lot easier in the past, and in search cards you can click just for Squirrly SEO, for example, and this is Squirrly SEO, the WordPress version, so you will see just the updates for Squirrly SEO, the WordPress version, and you can read some of our Unsung Hero updates for it. These are the latest things that have already happened, and you can read them from here. Then you can also go to the list and see some of the features that we haven't announced yet, like Audit Suite version 2.0, which is actually running alongside the current audit that you have in Squirrly SEO, and it's been running since the beginning of the year. We're just testing it out, trying to make sure that it can actually get all of the workload, because it's got a lot more features than the current audit, and it's soon going to get launched. Now we have plans for a free plus version, which you can read about here. SEO navbar, yeah, so there's like a lot of ideas which are going to be present in future updates. Otherwise, you can just click on what I've clicked right now, and you can see, for example, just Squirrly Social, and you can navigate the board and see the plans for Squirrly Social, and these are stuff that I've announced in the Unsung Heroes developer update. Some of the latest stuff that have happened. These are ideas that we still have for Squirrly Social, some of them presented right there, like a new Pinterest integration and a brand new Instagram integration that will not require a buffer account anymore. And yep, that's about it for Squirrly Social. These were like the older announcement with the technology partner and when we were almost ready to launch Squirrly Social. You can see, I know, company news if you're curious. Some of the stuff that's not related to products is just the company, like our initiative with 1 gig buys 1 hero, supercharging 1 future, and how we donate money to children in the United States so they can have better education, access to better education. And this is it. This is how you use SEO Plugin.xyz and the Trello board, the visible, the public Trello board, where you can find out what has already happened and what we plan to do at the Squirrly company. Thank you very much for watching.